Hello everyone. In this video, you will see the procedure to create your IBM Initiative account and your IBM Cloud account. Okay, your first most step is to navigate to www.ibm.com/academic. Once you navigate to this URL, the page will be something like this for you. Okay, this is the page of your IBM Academic Initiative account. Okay, so now what you have to do, just here on your right top, you have a profile option, right? Just click on it, then it will ask for your login, right? Just click on login. Or here even you have already registered or register now. You can even click on this register now, right? So you are the first time users, right? So you can click on register now. So once after you click on register now, you will be getting this page. Okay, here you need to give your academic initiative email ID. Okay, that is at the rate your college domain email ID, or if you don't have such institutional email IDs allocated for you, you can request for smart interns email ID. Okay, so now as I don't have any sort of institutional email IDs with me, I am going with Smart Interns email ID. Okay. So I have just given my Smart Interns email ID there and click on submit. Right. Once after I submit, it is asking me to choose a role. Here you see, as I have given Smart Interns email ID, its parent company is SmartBridge. So we got a name as a SmartBridge. If you give your institutional email ID and if your institution is registered for this uh, program, in this IBM Academic Initiative program, then your institution name will be shown here. Okay, if you even these cases will be there where you have your institutional email ID, but your college is not registered or not part of your institute IBM Initiative account. Okay, even if you have such things, you have to request for Smart Interns email ID. Okay, so now once after you give your email ID there, you need to choose your role. Choose your role as student. You need to select your current degree and short degree. These both degrees are same. Here you will not be finding BTech. You have to select BE. Okay, BTech will be not be there. You have to select BE, which is Bachelor of Engineering. And then you have your graduation. Okay, select your year, select your month. These are we don't ask for accurate, but give some expected month, right? Graduation, expected month should be given, and then your department. Here you will have the departments. You have to select your own department. If you don't have the name of your department, let's say EC will not be there here. You have to select triple E, something like that. Related department should be selected. Okay, so I'm just going with computer science and engineering. Okay, and then click on this. To agree these terms, you need to click on this hyperlink. So accept, and then click on register and then proceed. So here you see, I have registered for my IBM academic initiative only. So now then I have to create, it's not completed yet. I have to create my cloud account even. Okay. So I'm now give the same email ID. If you are giving the in the previous process, if you have given your smart intents, give the same smart intents email ID here. Or if you have given your institutional email ID, give the institutional email ID here. Don't give any sort of personal email IDs when it is asking for the email for the second time. Okay. Then type your name there. I'm typing some student name. Type your name there. Set your password. Okay. Set your password and then click on next. So whatever the email you have given to this particular email, you will be receiving a 7-digit code. Okay. So if let's say here you have smart interns email ID, you have used this smart interns email ID, right? So now what you have to do is, so you along with the smart interns email ID, when we share the smart interns email IDs with you, we are sharing a username and password of yours along with cPanel link. Okay, you have to click on that link and log in into your cPanel, which will look something like this. Okay, then you should click on this round cube, and this is your email ID. Okay, this is your inner page or inbox page, whatever you call. This is the page. So let's wait for 2 minutes. Let's wait for that 7-digit code. See here, I've got that 7-digit code, right? So I'll just copy this 7-digit code from here and paste back here in this column, right? Now then click on continue. Then click on proceed. Here you see. Okay. So you are done with your IBM Academic Initiative portal registrations. Okay. Now you have to create your IBM Cloud account. How do you create this cloud account? Just scroll your page down. Click on this IBM Cloud. Okay. Then scroll the page down again. You have softwares here, right? Click on this software, and then this is IBM Cloud Trial, right? Just click on this arrow button and then click on create a trial account. This procedure what we are doing now is for your IBM Cloud. Okay, just give your email ID, your institutional or smart intents, whatever ID you have used, give that ID over here. Okay, see, I've given my ID there and click on this arrowhead bit. Okay, then click on next, and then it will ask for a verification code. So again, the verification code has been sent. So let's go back to this verification codes. This is my inbox. Okay, let's wait. We'll get a verification code. So here you see you have got your verification code, right? Just copy this verification code from here and paste back, right? Then click on next, click on continue, and then scroll the page down, check this tick box and click on continue. Wait for this to happen. So it's creating my cloud account now. So you see my cloud account has been created now. It is redirect, it is logging me in. Okay. So once you are logged in into your cloud accounts, you have to apply a promo code, right? So the reason behind applying the promo code is to use your Cloud Foundry apps, you need to apply this promo code. Okay. So to do so, what you have to do is go to your manage section, go to your accounts, and then you'll have account settings here on your left. Just click on this account settings. Then scroll your page down, click on apply code. Okay, click on apply code. Now your question might be from where we have to get this code. So the code, you have to get this code from your IBM academic page. Okay, the same thing beside your IBM Cloud Trial, you'll have IBM Cloud feature code. Just click on this arrow mark, you'll get the feature code. Here it is, request for a feature code. So the first time this error is common. When you click for the second or third time, you'll get the code. So here it is. You have got your promo code. Just copy the code and paste the code here in this subscribe. Okay. If you get such things, just click on Control plus F5, which will delete your cookies, and then apply your code again. This will get activated. So I'm just waiting for my code to get applied. So here you see my promo code has been applied successfully, right? Close it. So how do you get to know whether your code is applied successfully? Here it is. Your code number, the description, and status is applied when. Okay. So this is how we apply the feature codes and we create our IBM Academic Initiative account as well as your IBM Cloud account. This is the procedure. Thank you.